Hey Braddies, it's the Raw's Brett and I'm back with another YouTube video, and today we're going to be making a wig with 16, 18, and 20-inch body wave hair. And we have a 4x4 closure. This hair that I'm going to be using in order to make this wig is from AliExpress. I'll actually leave the link down below in the description box for you. So as you can see, I already started to make the wig. I have the closure in there and the 20-inch bundle. It's actually really nice. It was pretty thick, so this is really good hair, you guys.
Regular to get that cheddar, nigga. You can bet you about them dollars that them highs will leave your ass on low. If short don't build foes, you niggas goofy so fooly, but that's just how that game go. Like damn son, thought you was the man, son, but that was back then. I guess we knew who had the master plan, huh? Took your hunt cause she like my fly, sitting high in my throne zone, flowing sativa tones through my microphone, baked in my cologne, stay chinking more than chong, trippy tone, cypress sitting off the bone, so you know I'm gone. Bass hitting, verb flipping on a higher mission. Guess they couldn't handle the truth, so I went independent. Trying to finish for my mama's patience, dude. Pop still on my shoulder like the chip I never chewed. I mean, like, do you get loosey? Do you get fooly? I mean, like, do you get loosey? Do you get fooly? I mean, like, do you get loosey? Do you get fooly? I need to know, girl. Do you get trippy when off the goose?
I've been smoking on that real gas, thinking about my ill past, trying to make a resolution.
And as you can see here, I am trying to show you that this hair doesn't even shed, so this is really good hair.
I'ma have to go ghost. I'ma have these bitches missing me. Drop a hoe, she history. I was way high off the Tiffany when I had an epiphany. Man, this life ain't got shit for me. I'ma have to take it all if I really wanna ball. But I stand like 10 feet tall, straight hustler mindset. She loves the times, yeah, excitement. It keeps them strung right along. Then she goes and hits the bone. Now she in a brawn thong and then nothing before long. Call it mind game, subliminal, but never too critical. Think about it, make it lyrical, then try to paint a visual. Try not to make it typical, make it just like that whistleblower official.
Alrighty Braddies, now you can see the finishing product. I had plugged the closure on it and it looks like a glueless wig. You know, it can be yeah, and I love it. I'll leave the link down below, and this will also be selling on my website. So I hope you guys like my video. Let me know down below what you would like to see more of, and I will deliver. Bye.